Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 17 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is a meditation. On Sundays we do meditations, and this meditation will focus on the affirmation, I am full of love. And this is just to help us recognize and acknowledge the love that we give ourselves and to others. And also to know that as we give love to others and other things, we also need to pour that love back into ourselves. So you can grab your mat, or if you want to sit up on a bolster, a meditation pillow, a blanket, or a regular pillow, you can grab what you need for this meditation and we will get started. So we are going to spend our meditation seated. I am just going to sit flat on my mat. If you would like to have a block or pillow, you can always have that underneath your hips, just to lift the hips so that the knees can fall towards the mat. And if you're seated, just bring your hands to your knees. Press as you lift the chest up, lift the shoulders up, and then bring them down and back, and just relax them there. And we're going to start here with 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. Just returning back to your normal breath. And you can choose here if you'd like to keep your eyes open and find a focal point to focus on in front of you, or if you'd like to close your eyes in this moment. Whatever you prefer is fine. And just take a moment to think about the energy that you brought into this space, into this time. Think about how that energy made you feel. Was it a good feeling? Or was it more of an off feeling? Just acknowledge the energy that you brought into your space. And as you acknowledge that energy, we'll use our breath to clear any energy that isn't serving us in this moment, any energy that isn't making us feel good right now. We'll do that by inhaling, and on the exhale, just see if you can release that energy that is not needed in this moment. And we'll do about 5 breaths together. Let's inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Inhale as you cultivate that great energy that made you feel good. Exhale as you release the energy that is not needed in this moment. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. And as we clear our energy, or maybe clarify our energy, we want to remember that we are full of love, and that this love is used for ourselves and for the people around us, and for our passions. So think about as you breathe in, filling your lungs with air, filling your body with the oxygen that you need, you're also filling yourself up with the love that you need and that you give. And as you exhale, you release that love. Release some to yourself and release some to the people around you. Release some to your passion projects. Inhale and exhale. And let that cycle continue, the cycle of breath, the cycle of filling yourself with love and giving it out to others. And remember that as you give love to other things, to other people, that you should always refill yourself with love. Replenish your love. Inhale and exhale. Just sit here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. And now we'll focus on an affirmation as we inhale and exhale. As you inhale, focus on the affirmation of I am full of love. And exhale on I can give love to others. Inhale, I am full of love. Exhale, I can and will give love to others. Inhale, exhale. Continuing with these two affirmations, inhale and exhale. Inhale, I am full of love. And exhale, I can and will give love to others. One more time. Inhale, I am full of love. And exhale, I can and will give love to others. You can stay here in this position with the eyes closed if you have them closed. And we'll seal this meditation with the sound of the singing bowl. Take a deep breath in and out. You start to slowly open the eyes as you come back into the space. Sitting tall in the spine, bringing your hands in front of your heart. You can bow your head to your heart if you'd like. Just bowing in gratitude for this practice. First, taking the time to meditate, to remind ourselves that we are full of love and that we can give love to others, and to always replenish ourselves with love after we've given it, because we deserve it. Thank you, everyone, for practicing with me today, for participating in this meditation, and I hope to see you all tomorrow for day number 18 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge.